Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and this will be the review of just a quick little, I'm no professional YouTuber, but just wanted to make a little review of the Roomba 600 series, iRobot Roomba. Unboxed it, but the video got messed up unfortunately. So yeah, honestly, I don't know where to begin. In the box, obviously, it came with the Roomba, the charging dock, and yeah, instructions. And that's pretty much all. I set up the Wi-Fi, so there's the Wi-Fi logo. It just finished with a vacuuming job, so that's why the battery logo is like flashing like that. It'll stay green when it's done with a vacuum. And clean button, obviously it cleans, it backs out, and which I will demonstrate soon. But yeah, so let me show you on the app what it can do. Alright, so here we are. I'm sorry my room is a very big mess, but let's go to Smart Home, go to the iRobot app. Oh, sorry about that. As soon as this opens, I'm sorry. So it'll say, yep. Alright, so it's on my tablet, so it looks a little bit weird because I got a 10.2-inch tablet, and it's meant to be on a normal phone that I'm filming on. But it says, charging, ready to vacuum, favorites, a 15-minute, and vacuum everywhere. You can set a schedule, which I have not set, history, messages, and robot settings. Help and iRobot beta. And if you hit right here, you can add a robot or go to your personal settings. Okay. I'm sorry, my room's a mess. But then if you go here, you can go to new job. His name's Curtis 694, because 694 is his model name. You can set a time limit. None. Come on. I'm sorry. Okay. And then you can set start now or save as a favorite. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the app. I found that the app is very responsive, very good, and I just like it in general. I'm sorry, my phone doesn't want to keep focus on this. But yeah, so I don't know what to say. Alright, so now I'll show you some physical aspects of the robot itself. Alright, so here we are back at the Roomba. And as you can see, it's got this glossy reflective glass. Well, here you push this button and the dustbin fills up. And mine is very full because I just vacuumed the hallway. But yeah, see, what I found interesting is the actual Roomba suction motor that, vacuums up stuff is right inside of here. It's so small. But yeah, that's that. Okay, so I rolled out here. Now on the front, it has got this bumper. So when it bumps into stuff, it's got its sensors, and I'll flip it over in a second. And this little guy shows it how to find its way home. And that's my one complaint about this Roomba, but I'll just talk about this at the end. So let me demonstrate it going home. So let's press home. And there we go. It plays a little happy tune. There's a little light right on there. And yeah, so now let me flip the robot over and I'll show you the underside. Alright, so here's the clear underside of your bin, and, sorry, the underside of the robot. So here are your charging metal connectors. They go down on these guys. You've got your sensors so it doesn't fall off stairs. Your famous iRobot Roomba dual brush system. And your side brush. I don't know if I should be spinning these, but... And the wheels, and one of the cool parts about the wheels is look at this. They have got a very deep, like, hydraulic or compress or whatever it is. And if you look inside, you can't really see it, but there's actually a spring in there. There. So, yeah. And now, maybe I should just keep my lid on. Yeah, it's better. And we can open this up by doing this. This whole thing sort of pops out. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. And the brushes come out. You can clean the hair out of them. This one is this kind of interesting rubber one. And this is a traditional one. The newer iRobot Roombas, like the J3 or something like that. The newer ones, you know. The 600 series is the only series that still has these typical brushes. All the newer Roombas have those green rubber brushes. So, yep, there's the product information, Roomba, and my camera will not focus. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let me flip back over, and I'll show you guys a demonstration. Alright, so now it's gone home, and now I'll show you a demonstration, but first I'm going to tell you what the buttons mean. This is the home button, takes it home, obviously. Clean, power, and spot. So it'll clean in a spot and slowly do a circle. So let's just hit clean. Now press the button again to pause it. And now we'll try out spot. So yeah, that is pretty much all. So now let's send it home, and so let's see if it'll find its way home. Let me just place it. See if I can pick it up with one hand. Just place it right here so it's in line with it, and we'll send it home. Alright. I just cut through that because you've seen it like 3 times already. But yeah. So now I love everything about this robot vacuum. I think it's powerful, it's got a lot of suction, it's not that loud, not nearly as loud as our old handheld vacuum or big, you know, wired one, the old-fashioned ones. And yeah, everything about it is just awesome. And the app features, you know, over there, they're just, the app is like probably one of the best just general apps that I've seen. And just easy to use, you know, and I think the lights are cool. But my only complaint is that it is horrible at finding its way home. If it's like, let's just say over there, and you hit home, it has to be in direct line within this sensor right there to be able to find its way home, or else it'll just bumble around randomly throughout your entire house for like 20 minutes until it finally finds this sensor. There's no like Bluetooth connection or anything that'll slowly lead it to here. It has to find that sensor, which I think the newer, you know, other than the 600 series, that isn't an issue because I don't see any of those sensors. But on the 600 series, that is my biggest complaint. But you know what? That's kind of like nitpicking. It's not a huge deal, but just something I noticed. And yeah, you know, guys, I think that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching this review of the iRobot Roomba 694. And I wish I could show you guys the unboxing, but like I said, that video got corrupted or something happened to it. I don't know. But yeah, and that will be it. Thanks for watching.